to Sparkly Unicorn Cupcakes. Today we will be making a flower. What you will be needing is plastic fork, part of a plastic fork, spoon, maybe, I don't know. And yes, you will need a knife. I have two colors, brown and red. So first what we're gonna be doing is just making the petals first. I'm just gonna be getting it in a ball first. So what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna flatten it. And then you're gonna make like a shape of a petal. So like this, kind of. And then you're kind of gonna shape it into more of a petal. See? Kind of looks like a petal. Set that aside and then make another. And you can keep on using the same exact Play-Doh. If you want it to be kind of colorful, you can make it colorful. I just have one color, well, two colors. I'm gonna do about like 10 petals though. I don't know though. So I'm pretty sure about 10 is what I'm thinking of in my head. So we're gonna be doing 10. I'm gonna make the size of the middle right now so you guys can see what you need. So just get like a little handful or more than a handful. And you're just gonna make it a little ball. And then squish it to the size you want. I'm gonna actually make that kind of a little better too, and a little shorter. I skipped through all the petals, making all the petals. So I actually had 7 for this smaller one, but now I'm gonna show you how to apply. I'm just gonna set these over right there so they're out of my way. You actually wanna grab part of the fork part and kind of make little holes. And what you can actually do, make a little dent place for where you want the petals. But yeah. So I'm just setting those on there. I have 7 total.